Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. This is going to be a quick clean with me. I hope that you find it motivating and that it inspires you to get some things done around your home and just create a welcoming home for your family. So I am starting out with just folding a load of laundry. I always do one load of laundry a day because I find that way I don't have to deal with a whole day of laundry and a bunch of piles of laundry. It's so much easier to just fold one load of laundry and put it away. So that's what I'm doing here, and then I'm going to get to some dusting, and we're going to vacuum, and we're going to sweep and mop. So I hope that you find it motivating, and I will check in with you later in the video. I would love to hear if you are a fan of this cleaning spray. It's Pledge Multi-Surface, and then I also use this e-cloth. It's just a microfiber cloth that I got on Amazon, and I use this combo to dust my home. I find it super easy, and I can use the Pledge on multiple surfaces. So you'll see me spray it on my TV, but then it can also be used on wood and ceramics, and it's just super convenient to use while you dust. So this is another day. I like to spread out my weekly cleaning chores throughout the week so that I don't have to spend hours a day cleaning. I find that that works best as a mom because I don't have hours to spend cleaning my house. So I just do 20 minutes here and there, and it doesn't take too long. So on this day, I'm just sweeping up, getting a good deep sweep, and then I'm gonna mop the floors in our dining room and kitchen. Of course, the reward for all that cleaning is a clean space for you to live your life and enjoy your family in. So here's just an overview of our cleaned up kitchen and dining room. And then I'm also going to give you a peek at some of the snow that we have had recently. It has felt like it has snowed every single day for the last week, but we're enjoying it. It's definitely pretty. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.